Now this is very important part to understand the search results. So in our most websites, we use search icons or search options, and it's one of the essential part for any website. Now if I go back to our editor area and click on search results from here, you can see the search results page looks like this. It's a generic pages, but there is no search bar or search icon on the header area. Let's add search icon here on the header area. So I'd like to add a search icon. Let's take a look at here, which is the perfect place for search icon. Okay, so we can add navigation. Inside the navigation, I'm going to add after search. Well, so it's only displaying a button here, but we can use icons or no button. Let's change it again. Just use icons here and use navigation and search together. I just select the navigation and search here and use row. So this is just for test purpose. It's not a good design or best design, but at least it will help us to work with the search results page. Click Save Changes. So first of all, let's take a look at our search result page. So this is the search button that I have added here, and add test. You can click over here or hit enter. There is no post here inside the search results page, and that's why it's displaying these results. Now let's click over here again and type here lorem and hit enter. So as you can see, search results for lorem, it will display some text based on lorem, and the search results is displaying based on this template. Now let's change the search results page. From here below the header, let's add page header, and instead archive, add search results title, and remove the archive title from here. Change the color to white color. So now this is the search results area. If you want, you can change the query loop styles from here. Let's change it to the grid layouts and make it 2 columns. At the same time, select the query loop again and change from full width to none, and remove other unnecessary parts from here. Let's say, as I can see, there is a post and content. Let's remove the content. I do not want to display the content here. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's remove it from here. And I think this is not the best layout. Let's delete this layout completely, and also the loop builder. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this part from below, or they have already this part inside the pattern, but I'm going to use, for search results, I'm going to use this area. Let's take this query loop and drag inside this group. And now remove this more post. From here, let's select the query, and from custom, change it to the default, which will display only the search item. And select the group again and change padding top to 0. And that's it. If you want, you can add a little bit an image, featured image. Select title and change it to the group or row, and change the featured image size. Okay, the width should be 120, 60. And for this title, make sure it's linked. And if you want, you can make this template none, so that it display inside this 645 pixel wide area, and click Save Changes. Go to the search result page and reload. So as you can see, the search results for lorem is displaying 5 posts, which has lorem, and this is exactly how it looks like. Let's add another thing here. below I have to add CTA. Save. Go to the search result page and type again QUI, hit enter, and search results for QUI is displaying 5 posts, and here is the CTA. And you can remove this title, you can keep this one because we have already the similar title at the top. Let's remove the below part, only the title here. Save and go back to the search result page again, hit enter, and this is exactly how it looks like. So I hope you understand how the search results page work, but please make sure you have always select the default options from this loop builder. So when you select query loop, make sure you have selected the query type as default. If you select custom, it will not gonna work.